Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to expand double brackets. Okay, there are many ways of doing this. I'm going to teach you 3 ways. So the first way is what they call FOIL. Okay, so F is for first, then outside, inside, and last. Okay, but I call it the old man. And you will see why later on, okay? So let's look at our problem here, which I will move downwards, okay? And so let's do this, okay? So the first term, you multiply with the first term of the next bracket, okay? The last term, you multiply with the last term of the second bracket, okay? So we have the first and the last. And then this is the inside, okay, the last term of the first bracket with the first term of the second bracket, and this is the outside, okay, which is the first term of the first bracket with the last term of the second bracket. So do you see it looks like the old man? These are the ears, the eyebrows, the nose, and the mouth, okay? So let's do the eyebrows, okay? The first terms, x times x is x squared. The last term is 1 times negative 3 is negative 3 because positive times negative is negative. So let's do the inside, which is 1 times x, which is 1x. And the outside would be, okay, x times negative 3. Okay, positive times negative is negative. Okay, so these are like terms. So you can add or subtract them. So 1 minus 3 gives you minus 2, and then just copy down the variable. Okay, so as you can see now, you have, okay, the first term over here, okay, the middle term over here, and the last term, which is the constant. Okay, the constant always goes to the last. Okay, so let's put this all together. So the first term is x squared. The second term is minus 2x. And the third term is minus 3. So that's using the FOIL or the old man method to expand double brackets. Now, there's another way, and I call it the grid method, okay? So let me just add another page. So it's x plus 1, x minus 3. So x plus 1, x minus 3, okay? So the grid method just said exactly, make a grid, okay? And it's like tic-tac-toe, okay, divided into 9 parts. So we are going to put the first bracketed terms in on the top, okay? So this is x plus 1. Always include the sign. And this one goes over here, x minus 3. Always include the sign, okay? And this means multiplication. I just use a dot so that you don't confuse, okay, the multiplication sign with the variable x, okay? So do the same thing. X times x would give you, okay, x squared. Then 1 times x would give you 1x, okay? And then x times negative 3 would give you negative 3x. And then the last one, positive 1 times negative 3 gives you negative 3. Okay? And the next thing you do is we go on a diagonal. Okay? Okay? So what is this showing you? This tells you that this is the first set of terms. Okay, so that would be x squared. And then these are your like terms. 1x minus 3x, simplify, will give you negative 2x. So that is your second term. And this is your third term, okay? Minus 3. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 3. Let's look at the other page. X squared minus 2x minus 3. So you have come up with the same answer, okay? Now the third method I'm going to show you is you actually distribute it, making two sets of simple expanding, okay? So x plus 1, x minus 3. Let's start again. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am distributing this first term to everything in this bracket. So it's going to look like this. X times x minus 3. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to get this term and distribute it to everything in the bracket. So that's going to be 1 times x minus 3. Do you see what I did there? I just distributed both terms in this bracket, okay, to the second bracket. See, there's the x and there's the positive 1, okay? And then do the same thing as we did before, okay? So, wait, let me just move this downward so we have space, okay? So it's the same thing. So this goes x times x and x times negative 3, which gives you x squared minus 3x. Okay? And then this one, 1x, 1 times x, and this one goes 1 times negative 3, which gives you x minus 3. Okay, now let's put it all together. Okay, so from this one, okay, we have x squared minus 3x, and from this one we have 1x minus 3. Now look where I put the 1x. The reason I put the 1x over here is so that all the like terms, okay, remember, like terms means same variable and same index, so that all the like terms are together and you can easily add or subtract them, okay? So in the end, what is our answer? Okay, so we just bring this down because that's the only variable with a square. And then negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2x minus 3. So x squared minus 2x minus 3, x squared minus 2x minus 3 over here, and x squared minus 2x minus 3. So 3 different ways of expanding double brackets. Choose which one you feel the most comfortable using. Okay? So hope this helps. Okay, bye-bye.